In this video, I'd like to go over how to input Greek letters into your document for your population parameters. Now, it's perfectly fine if you want to just write out or spell out the parameter. For example, this problem that I'm looking at is a hypothesis test about the mean, so the appropriate parameter for the hypotheses is going to be mu. So I could type mu here. Okay, and that's fine. What I don't want to see is X bar, for example, in your hypotheses. They need to be parameters. Okay, but if you want to be fancy, you can go ahead and put in the Greek letter. Also, if you want, you can put in the hypothesis. Actually, it should be italicized. Okay, so I could click on my italics and then type a capital H, and then to do a subscript up here, see this little X with the little 2 down below? I want to click on that, and then I can type in the letter O, and then to get out of italics, you unclick the italics, and you can also unclick the subscript. Okay, so that's the null, and then I want to put in my mathematical statement. Okay, so I want to type in mu is equal to 920, for example. So I can click on Insert, and then over here on the right is Symbol, and this screen here are the symbols I've used recently. So if you don't have mu already up here, you can click on More Symbols, and you want to scroll until you find, I think it's Greek or Coptic. Okay, so I want to scroll up. This might take a little while to find. It's in here somewhere, I promise. And it doesn't necessarily go in alphabetical order. Need some background music for this. Okay, yay, I found it. Okay, Greek and Coptic. Okay, so I want to find, oops, I went too far. Here we go. Okay, so here's mu, here's alpha, and let's see what else. We need sigma. Where did sigma? Oh, there's sigma right there. Okay, so I want to click on mu and then insert and then close. Okay, so you'll see that it copied the Greek letter mu into my document, and then I can type my mathematical statement. Okay, now for example, if this were a claim about a standard deviation, I could go ahead and put sigma there. Okay, so again, I want to go to Insert and go to Symbol and then More Symbols. And fortunately, it kept me at the right spot. So I want to find sigma. There it is, right there. And then Insert. Okay. This particular problem is not a claim about a standard deviation, but if, for example, it was a claim about a standard deviation, I would want to use sigma. Okay, if you're not comfortable using the Greek letter or inserting a Greek letter, I could type in the word sigma here. If this were a hypothesis test about a variance, we know that the population parameter is sigma squared. So you could have the word sigma here and go back to your home screen and use the superscript option. Okay, I could click on that. It's going to move my cursor slightly above sigma, and then I can put in a 2 to indicate sigma squared. Or I could go ahead and put back that Greek letter. So go back to Insert, Symbol. And here, my most recently used symbol was sigma, so I don't even have to go back to that full alphabet screen. Okay, so here I could have the parameter as sigma squared. So the parameters that you're going to need to be putting in your labs will be mu, p, sigma, or sigma squared. Now, P is the parameter this textbook's use for the population proportion, so you could just use the letter P. That's fine. Okay, so I just wanted to give you some options here for making your labs look neat and professional.